Well, here's the deal. Do you just have a loving, wonderful, warm, satisfying relationship, except for that topic or those people or that situation? Is there someplace where you're just stuck, been maybe for years, and you just don't see how to address it without an argument, without conflict, without, so you just choose to avoid it, go away, give in, get out, just don't just consider it. I have a clue of how to help you here with this. I've helped thousands and I can help you. So here we go. I'm Merit Allied, a certified trainer for nonviolent communication, and I have founded something called the Withing Way, which is 3 tools, not rules. And you can see them in another video I've posted on my YouTube channel here. What I want to talk about is changing one word. If you change one word, it can change everything. And this is not hyperbole. I've seen this happen over and over and over again. I've seen the testimonials and the feedback. Wow, who knew that could make such a difference? Okay, ready for it? That one word? I'll give you a story first and then stay tuned for the one word part. So I was at a marketing event and we got into these groups, and spoiler alert, we won, because what happened was we had a product to sell, fantastic product. We weren't getting any traction. We were getting a few little orders, nothing big. Then there was a person who my colleagues, the other team members, were talking about with her how to do a white label with our product. White label means that you have just like a blank and you put your own brand on it. This is widely used in branding. So I said to them, stop it. You're telling her that we have a white label she can use. She's Black. Did you notice? She doesn't want a white label. Tell her, change that one word. Instead of talking about a white label, talk about your label. Say your label could say your brand name, have a picture of you, say what you want to say on it. We'll adapt to conform and, create your label for you. She placed an order for like, I can't remember now, it was like $250,000, a big order. Yeah. Changing one word, just saying it works. Okay. So in your personal relationships, if you change the word from your or you to I, it can change everything. Instead of saying you're being rude or selfish or you don't understand me, you say, change that you to I. Stop with the you thing. I have another video called Let Go of the You. And start saying things like, I'm feeling hurt. I'm feeling discombobulated. I'm feeling puzzled, or you need just whatever's going on in you, express yourself. That's actually tool, not rule, number 2. Yeah. So just say what's true for you. Identify your own thoughts, feelings, needs, emotions, strategies, whatever's going on, and say, I, instead of saying something about you, the other person. It's that simple? No, it has got to be more complex. We talk about money. We talk about the mother-in-law. We talk about where we're going to move next year. Yes. And if you talk about whatever those topics are, whatever those specific challenges or pain points are, if you use the word I instead of the word you, a lot of things happen there. For one thing, you're communicating to the other person what's true for you. I'm da 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 da. You're letting them know what's going on for you. That's a gift you're offering them. You're being vulnerable. You're risking. You're saying, this is what's true for me. And then the other person says whatever they say. You have to be worried or concerned about, what will they say? You don't know, because you're not them. No matter how many times before you've had this conversation, you're doing it, entering it into it approaching it in a new way with your I, E-Y-E, eyes, with your I, the letter I, you're letting the other person know what you see, what's important to you, what you care about. And then finding out, tool not rule number one, then what's going on in them, checking, hey, so how is that for you to hear that? And finding out what's going on for them. Just shifting that from the beginning from an you message to an I message. Try it, see if it works for you. There's another testimonial you can see over on the meritalight.org website from Bill. He said that UI changed everything. I think he said something like, I have found a new way of living, and that it works across the board with vendors, with family, with friends, at work. Everything shifts when you own your own feelings, needs, values, preferences, strategies. Say what's true for you, and invite the other person to say what's going on for them, and being curious about that. Yeah. So I'd like to know if you would try this. The next time that you say you could just say, oh, wait a minute, I want to talk about me, not about you. I want to say I, and let you know what's going on for me. See if you make that one little change, and notice how many times you start your sentences with you. You didn't, you said you were going to, you. I call it youing people. Don't you people. Yeah. It's making sense? Yeah. So let me know. Try it, see if it works. You know, it's a tool. Any tool is only as good as the person who's, if you try to use a hammer for a screwdriver, it's not going to work. If you try and use a screwdriver to nail in a nail, it doesn't work. So see if this tool works for you or doesn't. Yeah. And I'd really like to know if this, what I've just said so far, has been of value to you. If you see the possibility in it, and put down there in the comments if you have a question, like, but what about XYZ, whatever it is going to be, let me know. I want to be offering you value and benefit for what I'm offering. Yeah. It doesn't matter how many thousands of other people I've helped if I haven't helped you. So let me know. I want to know. Yeah. And that's it for this. And I'm going to post a series of different tips and tools that you can look at to see. So look at these end cards and they'll let you know where I'm suggesting you go next to see the next thing. Oh, and I do offer a one-to-one specific challenges met solutions approach for you. A 30-minute call, Zoom call. It's in the links on the YouTube channel. So let me know what you'd like to do next. Maybe it's one of those videos. Maybe it's reaching out to me. I want to help, want to contribute. That's my goal. Till we meet again.